Hello and welcome to another tutorial with Zenphi. Did you know that if you have your process laid out in an image, let's say a flowchart, you can easily use Zenphi's AI assistant ZAIA to be able to map out the process for you, making it that much faster to be able to have your process set up in seconds. Head on over to the Flow Designer, click on our ZAIA button, and here it allows you to be able to build or explain your flow. However, you'll notice you can also upload images. I'm going to upload the photo of the flowchart that I want to build, and we're going to let ZAIA do the heavy lifting. As we can see, it's saying it's analyzed the process and it's going to update the current flow to implement the logic. After that, all you have to do is wait a few seconds for ZAIA to do the magic. Then all you have to do is replace your connections. So click on the circle arrow. If you don't have a connection yet, click on the plus icon to create a new one. Or you can select from the drop-down if you have one already. Once you've done that, we'll do next, import our flow. And now all we have to do is configure the last few things. For example, in our trigger, we need to define what folder we want it to monitor. So click on the drive icon and select your folder. Once we have that, we can move on to the next action. All we have to do is change the manager's email. Keep in mind that if I were to, let's say, tell Zenphi the folder ID of the folder I want to monitor, give it the manager's email, for example, it would already replace this information. So make sure you give ZAIA as much information as you have to ensure you fix less things after. The file will be sent as a form for the person to review, so you can change the text here if you wish, or you can leave it as ZAIA recommended. And then as we can see, if it's approved or not, it's going to move the file to the folders I indicated. So here it's done everything for us. The only thing we need to change is the folder ID of our approved and our rejected folders. And it'll look something like this after we replace it, and this one as well. And just like that, you have your entire process set up. If we take a look, ZAIA did something really cool. It took it one step further. This little filter icon indicates that we have conditional run. Since my flowchart says that a PDF arrives to Google Drive, here it's taken it one step further in our conditional run and indicated we only want to run the flow when it's a PDF. Meaning if someone uploads a CSV file, an image, it's not going to trigger your process because that's not indicated in the flowchart. And just like that, in less than 5 minutes, you've set up an entire approval process that you can use with your business instantly. If you have any questions, make sure to leave them down in the comments section, and we'll see you on our next tutorial. Make sure to join our Zenphi community because we're always answering these types of questions there. It'll be linked down below so you can join as well.